Hi everyone, this is Alex from Via Travelers, and today we're going to do an unboxing of our away packing cubes. Now, we're going to give you an honest review on how these packing cubes are. We travel a lot, and we've used some from other companies, and this is our first time with away. So let's see how it is. Alright, starting with the unboxing now. It's pretty easy to small package to come through, which is good. And they're just right in here. I like to see that because then there's less waste. Wow, so these are really nice. There's a set of 4 packing cubes here. You can see they're all very different sizes. The material here is quite nice. It feels like as though nothing would penetrate it. It's very waterproof and durable. Seems like it won't rip either. It's pretty well made here. These also appear to be really functional. They zip really nicely. And I like how the top here is mesh. So you can see, that way you can tell what's in here. Now, typically when I use packing cubes, I use these larger ones for more bulkier clothing. This looks like you could fit several pairs of pants in here if you were to roll them up, or sweaters, anything like that. I think you could probably get 5 or 6 in there with a couple of shirts on top as well. These they do have quite a bit of room. They're about 3 inches tall for this one, but it doesn't look like they expand. So if you're an overpacker, these might be a little limiting for you. But overall, these are really nice quality. And this size here, this looks like it would be really nice for like undergarments or toiletries, something like that. This one it's about the same depth as well. But again, the material here, it's really silky smooth, very durable, waterproof. It's like it can hold up to quite a bit. Here, this is a nice shape. Like how it's more of a rectangle, so it's quite longer. You can fit different things. I like to have different sizes within my packing cubes as well, because then you can differentiate what you're going to use. Sometimes it's nice to put like full outfits in each one. And it looks like with this variation of sizes, it'd be really easy to be able to do that. And the fourth one here, and then when you take the things off, it has the label away there. These zippers, they look really nice. Like, they're not going to fall off. There's no way. These are much higher quality than some other ones that I have used in the past that have ripped before. It does not feel like a material that would rip. This is another great size for undergarments or socks, camisoles, kids' shoes even too, if you want to keep shoes separately. This looks like a great size for shoes. But overall, this is a pretty great set here. It looks like you'd be able to keep your entire wardrobe in here for definitely a week, 2 weeks, maybe even longer. When we did our 6-week backpacking trip, we took about 6 of these with us, which makes it so much easier when you get to a hotel. You just, pick this up, put it into the drawer, and take it out. So much easier to pack and unpack with these types of packing cubes. And again, this is our first time with away, trying out away, and it is really good quality. I would recommend this for sure, and we're going to try it on our next trip, so we'll report back to see how they hold up. But just by touching it, you can feel. So overall, I think these packing cubes are definitely worth the investment. They're very functional, they're very durable, from what I can tell at this point, and I think they would be very helpful for traveling, especially for longer periods of time. If you're trying to be an efficient packer, you could definitely get all 4 of these filled with items and in a backpack, no problem. So if you're interested in purchasing these away travel packing cubes, we've already included a link in the description below. And if you've ever used these before, drop us a comment, and I'd like to hear your experiences as well. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with how these came.